Hey everyone, it's Jenny and I'm back. Finally, I know I have been out for a little over a month or so. It almost feels like 2 months. I have had a lot going on. If you follow me on Facebook, you may have heard my mother did pass away. So, she got sick all of a sudden, and things just took a downward spiral. It was nothing to do with the Rona, if anybody was wondering. And also, we had, before all that, there was an ice storm that hit, so we were really busy at work. It's crazy. 2021 has been, like what? Like, this is supposed to be calm, and it is anything but. So, I just wanted to let y'all know where I have been, but hopefully you should see me posting videos on the regular, so we're a little bit more frequently than I was. So, from the thumbnail, you can see I've got an Influenster box. Let's see what's inside. I'm so excited for this box, so excited. I've actually tried these products and I've got a good feel of what I think about them. So it'll be like a little review too. So inside, I'll sort of display it here. We have got, well, you can't really see, but I have got the Shiseido Vital Protection Uplifting and Firming Cream and the Shiseido Vital Protection LiftDefine Radiance Serum Drops, if I can say the word. So yay! Now Shiseido is a pretty expensive brand. I know both of these products are over $100. So when Influenster sent it to me for me to try, super excited, super grateful. So first off, after you cleanse your face, this is when you'll want to use the serum. And this is what it looks like out of the carton. This is its packaging. It's a little, it's okay. It's not my favorite packaging, but it's okay. It does have a pump. You just take one pump of the serum and massage it into your face. And where I have dry skin, it's like my skin is like, yes, whatever is in this, my skin definitely needs and enjoys. So this says, experience a firmer, tighter, more defined look across neck and face. Rediscover youthful radiance, reawaken skin's potential with Renura technology and watercress extract infused with 4-MSK. This dewy serum brightens the complexion and visibly helps reduce sagging, wrinkles, dark spots, revitalizes skin for a smooth, radiant, and defined look. Use the morning and the night, which I have done. I've probably had it a month now and love it. Absolutely love it. If you have dry skin, I would highly recommend, and if you were looking to find a little bit more expensive brand you want to try, I would definitely give this one a try. So this is the Vital Protection Uplifting and Firming Cream, and I really like the packaging on this. It just feels luxe, like there's some weight to it. You see the color scheme, and I don't know, I just love it. Now both of these do contain a light floral fragrance. It's nothing too harsh, but again, if you don't like fragrance in your skincare products, you may not like these. But I think it smells good. I think it's a floral, it smells expensive and floral, if I had to describe it. Some people know what I'm talking about. And that's what it looks like. It's a thicker moisturizer. So again, if you have dry skin, I highly recommend. I was super excited to get this from Influenster. So if you're not signed up there, I'll leave the link below so you know how to sign up for it. So that was everything in this Influencer box. I was super excited to get it. I know they've been doing a lot of boxes, so if you are signed up with them, let me know. Have you got anything? Has it been good? Just leave it down in the comments below. Hope you give this video a big thumbs up. If not, that's okay too. And if you're not subscribed, I would love to have you here, so just hit the subscribe button. And with that, have a fabulous day. Bye.